Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your username in Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. You will be directed to the page of Codecademy. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see your profile icon. Click on it and click on Profile option here. After that, you can see your profile here. Now click on Edit Profile button. Now you can see your username here. Select this and delete your current username. Now type in the new username on this field. After typing your new username, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can see Save Changes button. Click on it. Now you can see that your username has been changed. So that is how you can change your username in Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.